Hello students, we are going to discuss to find square root by tens and ones method. What does it mean, tens and ones method? First of all, this method is used for finding the square root of numbers up to 4 digits. So we can find up to 4 digits, Square root we can find by this method up to 4 digits. Suppose we have a number 2304. Suppose we have a number 2304. We have to find square root by ones and tens digits. By this method we have to find square root of this number 2304. First of all, our first step 1 is to check unit digit. Step 1 is to check unit digit. The unit digit number is 4. How can we get number 4? By 2 square or by 8 square? By 2 square or by 8 square. We can get number 4 by 2 square or by 8 square. 2 square means 2 2s are 4 or 8 8s are 64. 4. By the two numbers we get number 4, 2 and 8. Property: how to get 4? By the squaring of 2 and 8 we get number 4. Now the second step. First of all, find the number. How we get this number? Unit digit. How we get unit digit? Step 1. Clear? Afterwards, first two digits. Take your first two digits. Number is 23. 23 is lies between. Check now. 23 is lies between two numbers square. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36. Like 23 is lies between 16 and 25. Means 23 is lies between 16 and 25. Between 16 and 25. 23 is lies between 16 and 25. Now we check. What we check now? 16 is the square of 4 and 25 is the square of 5. Clear? What we do? We take lowest number. We take 16, not 25. We take lowest number, that is 16. How we got 16? 4 square. Which number square it is? 4 square. 4, we got number 4. Clear? Now go to the first step. Number 2 and 8. 2 and 8. One number we got 42 and one we got 48. Do now square of 42 and do square of 48. Now check. From these two, 42 2s and 48 8s, from which we get answer 2304. From these two, from which we get answer 2304, that is the correct one. Here 48 48s are 2304. This is the correct, means square root of 2304 is 48. Understood? Now once see one more. Once leave this because digits are 5. You leave once this part. Here we are going to discuss part B, 3969. Part is 3969. Unit digit is 9. How we get 9? By the square of 3. 3 3s are 9, or we get unit by 7 square. 7 7s are 49. Unit digit 9 we got. Unit digit 3 3s are 9 we got. You have to check. Step 1, you have to check. Unit digit is 9. How we got 9? By which number square we get 9 at the unit place? Now the number from the first step is 3 and 7. By the square of 3 and by the square of 7 we get unit digit 9. Clear? Now step second. there are two numbers, first two numbers 39, first two numbers 39. 1 square, at side you can do 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64. Now 39 is lies between 36 and 49. 39 is lies between 36 and 49. Take the smallest one. Smallest one is 36, that is 6, means number 6 you choose. We choose a number 6 because 39 number, this is lies between 36 and 49. From these two, smallest one you can choose, that is 6. Now 6 number is chosen from these two, the two numbers. From the square of 3 and 7 we got 9 at the unit place. Write 3 and 7, means one number is 63 and one number is 67. You can do at side 63 square and 67 square. Now check answer. By which square you got answer, or this 3969. Then you can check from this square we got 3969.